with the head position this way for a right craniotomy with the tumor at the height, so we're going to be able to use it the best. You really want it to come over from the side, my left. If you have it coming over the patient directly, it really isolates you to kind of one working channel, and your assistant either gets boxed out by you or has to kind of reach across. That makes things really challenging. So to keep me here and mobile so I can get to it from all angles that I need to be, really need to have it coming over from the left, which is why I kept that nice and low, and it should work out real nice. I'd say that really learning to get the patient's head or wherever you're operating as far away from everything else in the room is really helpful. Really gives you the best laterality. That's why we do pretty much most of our operations 180 degrees from anesthesia. Really trying to get the patient's pathology at the top of the, I know I've said this already, but at the top of the field, operative field, is really crucial because as you can kind of already see, I basically have a 360 degree kind of orbit that I can do here now around the patient, and that's the only way you can maximize that.